Good morning. Boy, we sure need our coffee in the morning, don't we? Nothing like a good cup of coffee right off the bat. But there's some, a nice byproduct of coffee is the old coffee grounds. And they have some good uses in the garden. And let's take a walk outside. I'm going to show you how we're going to use our coffee grounds in the garden. Now we could use coffee grounds in our garden. It's going to lower the pH of the soil. We already have a naturally low acid soil in Florida, so we got to be careful that we don't get it too low and the plants stress out from the low pH. But for blueberries and other acid-loving plants, it's a great thing to lower the pH of the soil. Now we've also found that the scale, the Asian scale that's affecting our cycads, this is a pretty good control for the Asian scale, where you make a tea and spray it on the foliage and on the trunk, or just take the grounds and spread around the base of the plant, and that will get the scale that's in the root system of the plant. Thanks folks, Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.